Good morning. Myself Shiny. Today I'm going to explain on the topic scalar and vector quantities. What is mean by scalars and vectors? Scalar means a quantity which have only magnitude. There is no direction. Magnitude means we are depending only length. There is no direction. For example that is volume, mass, time. These are the example of scalar quantity. Vectors means, vector quantity means which has both magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction. Magnitude means it depends on that length also, it depends on that direction also. If you are going from A to B, we will say that direction towards east, towards west. Okay, that's a vector. Then example is displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. Next is types of vector. What are the different types of vector? Scalars, we are represented by a single letter. Okay, scalars, it is represented by a single letter. Then next one is types of vectors. First one is equal vectors. Second is opposite vectors. Third is like vectors. Fourth is unlike vectors. Fifth is unit vector. Sixth is zero vector. Okay. First one is equal vectors. Okay. Two vectors are said to be in equal vectors. That is first vector is A. Second vector is B. Vectors we can represent like this. If we are using A means upper side one arrow we can use. This is vector. Otherwise we can use one bar like this. Okay. Two vectors are said to be in equal. Then we can say that here is same magnitude and same direction. Same magnitude, same direction. Okay. Here maybe 5 cm means here also 5 cm. Direction also same. Towards east means towards east. That is equal vectors. Then opposite vectors means, okay, two vectors, that is A and B. Two vectors A and B. Same magnitude. Magnitude is same, but direction is different. Here both same, magnitude also same, direction also same. Here magnitude is same, but direction is different. Third case, like vectors. Like vectors. Two vectors are said to be in like vectors. Two are said, that means A and B. Vector A, vector B. Said to be in like vectors. Different magnitude, same direction. Magnitude is different, but direction is same. That is like vectors. Then unlike vectors, there is also two vectors A, B. Here also A, B. Two diagram I have drawn. Here is equal and different magnitude. Equal and different. Equal or different magnitude. Equal. First case it is equal magnitude. Length is equal. Second case length is different. Direction also different. Length is equal or opposite, equal or different, and direction is opposite. This type of vectors is known as unlike vectors. Next category is unit vector. Unit vector means unit magnitude and same direction. Unit magnitude and same direction. It is denoted by the letter A cap. It is denoted by the letter A cap. A cap is equal to vector A by modulus of A. What is the meaning of this modulus? Vector A divided by modulus of A. A means if it is we are using negative sign, then modulus if we are using that is must be positive. No need of taking the negative sign. Okay? A vector A divided by modulus of A. Next is 0 vector. It is denoted by 0. 0 vector. This is 0 vector. Then one vector A plus minus A. We know that A vector A plus vector minus vector A is equal to 0. We can say that it is a 0 vector. Then our different types of vectors over. Next is vector addition and subtraction. Vector addition and subtraction. How to add vectors? How to add vectors? How to subtract vectors? First one is vector addition. Then A plus B is equal to we can write B plus A. This is some rules I am telling. If it is A plus B we are getting, that we can write B plus A. For example, 2 plus 3 we are writing 5. We know that. Then 3 plus 2 also we can write. Same way, vector A plus vector B is equal to vector B plus vector A. This law is known as commutative law. Commutative law. Next one is vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Vector A plus bracket B plus C. This we can do like this. Vector A plus vector B plus C. According to maths, this is also same. This we can say that which law it is? Associative law. Associative law. Okay. Next one, vector A plus 0 vector. That we can say that is vector A. Then we know that any number plus 0, that is a number only. Same way we can write A plus 0 is equal to A. Then vector A into 0 means that is 0 into A means that's also 0. Okay. Then addition is over. Some rules. First is commutative law. Second is associative law. Next is subtraction. How to do this subtraction? Then nothing. We can write A plus B. If we are doing, we want to do minus. How to do? Then we can write that is this is A minus B. Okay, subtraction only. Then we can take A minus B. For example, 5 minus 3. Answer is 2. Then how to do that? A vector A plus minus of vector B. We have to do like this. Vector A minus vector B is equal to vector A plus minus of vector B. Then we can write here is 5 minus 3. That is we know that 2. Then here what you have to write in case of vector 5 plus minus of 3. Numerical we will do later. Little bit difference only. Some common example I am telling. That is A vector A minus vector B equal to vector A plus minus vector. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic equation of motion.